Lift every voice and sing, till earth and heaven ring, ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let every rejoicing rise, the listening skies, let heaven's resound as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought.